Hey everybody, how you doing? This is Jim Grisanzio from Oracle, and I'm here with Aurelio Garcia-Ribeyro. Aurelio, welcome. Welcome to the program.
Hi, Jim. It's nice to see you.
It's very nice to see you here as well. We are here tonight to talk about Oracle Developer Live. The ninth conference in the series is next month, September 14th and 16th, and it's Java Innovations, Building the Future Today. And you are a speaker. You're doing two sessions at this conference: Java Management Service and JDK 17. So tell me about them.
Well, on the JDK 17 session, we reviewed the JEPs, and that stands for JDK Enhancement Proposals, that are being delivered with the upcoming release of JDK 17. As usual, we have a good mix of improvements to the language, the libraries, and some changes in OpenJDK, as well as a few housekeeping items. And we will have an overview of each one of the JEPs. For the Java Management Service, JMS session, we have an overview of a recently released cloud service that will help companies keep track of where they have a Java runtime installed, what is it being used for, and prompt you when an update or upgrade is required. We've had similar tools before, but those were on-premise and required that you maintain the servers yourself. With JMS, you get the benefits without having to maintain the servers.
Cool. Excellent. Okay, cool. Excellent new Java Management Service. And on the JDK 17, this is LTS, right?
Correct. JDK 17 is a long-term support release, the prior one being JDK 11. Okay. Being an LTS release means that, unlike releases 12 through 16, when the next JDK version is released, we will continue providing updates for JDK 17 for at least a total of 8 years. Wow. This makes it a great choice for those that want to deploy in a stable platform on which they can rely for a long time.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay, cool. All right. Oracle Developer Live, Java Innovation, September 14th and 16th. I'll have links below. Good luck at the event. We'll see you there.
See you there, Jim.